All right, today let's look at changing out a Kamado Joe thermometer. On one of my big Joes here, I've got, it still works fine. It's got some debris in there, some condensation action, so it still works, but we're gonna change it out. What we're gonna need is a new thermometer from Kamado Joe and a 1/2-inch socket wrench. You don't have to use the Kamado Joe thermometer. They have some universal ones out there. What I would recommend would be to use a tel-tru one, and they should be pretty standard as far as. All right, so the first thing we want to do is take out the old thermometer, and if you just lift your Kamado Joe lid up, you can see inside here that it's just got the same 1/2-inch nut on that there, so you can just give it a loosen up. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. You can see it starts coming out pretty easy. There we go. Push it up. And then just pull it out. So what I do now is I'm going to take some citrus cleaner and just kind of clean around the thermometer hole there. Make sure it's all clean for the new one that goes. So the one thing we want to do before we install the new ones, we want to kind of make sure it's calibrated and looks to be an accurate temperature. So what I got here is a couple chopsticks and some boiling water, and I'm going to put the thermometer in here, and you can see it's right at 210, 212, so that is right on. So boiling water is at 212, so we are good to go with this. All right, now to install it, we're just going to insert the new thermometer into the thermometer hole and get it lined up right there. Then we're going to lift it up, and we're going to apply the new washer and nut to the bottom. So I'm going to have to put this down to put that. Okay, we are all installed. Before I tighten it down too much, I wanted to make sure that it was straight from the front, and we are good to go there. Got a nice 3-inch probe there, and we are all good to go. Super easy. Hope this helps you guys out.